Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how my Nasdaq strategy will work and how you can get funded up to $1 million across different firms. And also I will be explaining how I trade Nasdaq, what will be my approach regarding the Nasdaq strategy and towards the market when I am trading the Nasdaq on the New York Open. So let's jump into the video without wasting any time. First of all, we will go on to the Nasdaq 5-minute chart and see whether we have any key level on the market. Either it is to the upside or to the downside. We will mark the key levels. In this scenario, I saw the key level to the upside, cleared key level. Now what I will be waiting for, my approach to trade the Nasdaq is very simple. I always look for the momentum. It will be after the news or after the New York Open. I always wait for the momentum to kick into the market so that I will take advantage of that momentum. Otherwise, I will not be taking any trades on Nasdaq because my strategy is purely based upon the momentum and behavior of the 5-minute candles. For example, I came to the charts at 5:30 p.m. or 9 a.m. New York time, and I see the patterns like this. What I will be doing first, I will be drawing up above key level or below key level. That will be my low and high of the 5-minute candle. Now what I will be waiting for, with the momentum, I will be waiting for the break of this level, and I will be taking the trade with the break of the structures. I will not be dealing with the retest. I will only be taking the trade with the momentum. My stop loss in that case will be 30 points and my take profit in that case will be also 30 points. So that will be one-to-one risk to reward strategy. A lot of you guys have a question in your mind that why the risk to reward is so small. The reason behind is that my edge in the market, you know why you are in the video. My edge in the market is the win rate, which is around 70 to 80%. So do your calculations. If I take, for example, if I take 10 trades into the market, 10 trades in 2 weeks, and my win rate is 70%, and win rate is 70%. If my win rate is 70%, then I will be winning 7 trades and losing 4%. What is the average target of a prop firm, which is 8%? So you just need 10 to 15 good days to be in the market. Trade only one pair, one session and one trade a day, and you will be funded like this. So you just have to focus on your discipline, your setups. You just have to wait for the break of the levels, wait for the momentum. If not, then just wait for the behavior to confirm that it's a break, and yes, then you can take that trades at the key levels. Some of you guys trying to short at key levels and like targeting with the stop loss of like 10 to 15 pips and targeting 1 to 11 or 1 to 10, that is unrealistic risk to reward, and your win rate will be goes like 15 to 10%. And in the trading business, the psychology is very important. You need to have means to get confidence in your trading journey. The confidence is very important. Whenever you are in the losing streak, try to close the trade in positive so that you will get confidence and you will get back stronger. So let's go to the dashboard and see the update of my funded accounts. So this is my 250k funded account. I'm up like $4,300 profit just trading Nasdaq. The strategy I have explained right now, I applied that strategy here. This is my like third payout with Algo Forex Fund, and I got around 15 to 20 payouts, more than 20 payouts with the prop firms, and I have made around $70,000 with prop firms just trading Nasdaq. If you not believe it, just go back into my videos, into my channels, and see the payout proofs I have posted in my channel. So if I go to the trade history, you can see that I only trade Nasdaq and the consistent result is clearly there. You can see that the consistent profit and gains losses are there. You see that the reds are very low and the greens are so high. So this means that we have a great strategy with a win rate of around 80%. If I go to the dashboard, you can see that my win rate is around 80%, but still I will count that win rate to 75 or 80%. I will still not count it as a 90%, because sometimes you will get a losing streak and you get frustrated, but you have to stick with your strategy. You will see that you will come into the drawdown and you will recover all your drawdown and get back into the profits. So this is my second funded account, 500k. You see that if I show you the account history, you see that I have made around $8,000 plus on this funded account. And you see that I started this account just to place the trade, then a small win, then a small win, then a loss, then a win, then a loss, then win, 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 win. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 wins, 1 2 3 losers. So I will not consider this as a loss, because I placed that trade to start the account. So that will be a 8 winning trades and 2 losing trades. That will be a 50 strategy, 80% win rate, and a very effective strategy to trade on Nasdaq. So yes, make sure to join my free Telegram. In this free Telegram, you will get access to all the information and all the trades I were in, and I am looking to take the trades, my trade ideas, my payout proofs, my challenges that I have passed, and also I have been passing all Profum challenges, HFT, non-HFT information you will get in the free Telegram. Also, if you want to join my live trading room, you can find the link in the description. Must check the live trading room. In just $55 you will get access to Discord, the trade ideas of gold, GJ and Nasdaq. Also, you will live trading with me during NYC session on Nasdaq pair. So yes guys, this is it for this video. See you guys in the next video.